In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Vision on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as an amazing wallet tracker and a great Twitter tracker. They also have polls and P&L trackers, which are great. They have a reward system which gives you Solana back just for trading, basically. They also have this new Vision tab over here. They have a turbo mode which allows for faster fills. You can customize your own presets down here, change slippage, priority, and bribe fees for both buy and sell settings, etc. So again, link down below. Make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. So to actually use Vision on Axiom, this has been a very recent update. You want to go to Axiom up here where it says Vision, so it's going to be this tab in the middle over here. And over here, Vision basically is a leaderboard for different things on the Axiom website. Now, you can see there's a leaderboard for the KOLs, for global, which is basically for best top traders. You can see the leaderboard for your wallet, so in case you're using multiple wallets, you're going to see the performance of all of them over here, ranked on a leaderboard, and then as well for your tracked wallets over here. So let's go over these. As I said, KOL, you have, as you can see over here, you can see the best KOL. So this is going to be number 1, number 2, number 3. This is like kind of a podium over here. And if you go down below, you can see different traders. You can see their P&L, their win rate, their positions. So basically the total positions in this time period up here. You can see the total amount of trades in this period, as well as the total volume, and then the average hold time. So what you can do on here, you can basically sorted by either P&L Solana, P&L USD, which you can also switch over here. So if you're switching between Solana and USD, you can do this by clicking over here, and it's going to change from Solana to USD and then back. And what you can also see is volume in USD, volume in Solana, by wins, by losses, by buys, by sells, and average hold time. So you can essentially just sort by any of these things up here and change between Solana and USD, whatever this is relevant. Now, this is the first thing you can do. And then up here, as you can see 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, 14 days, and 30 days leaderboards. Okay, so you can just change between these, and of course, people ranked on here will change, as well as the KOLs. Now, here you also have this button via which you can sort by descending, or you can also sort by ascending. So you can go from best to worst, or from worst to best. Now, here you also have one more setting, which is going to be this switch to gallery view. So if you click on this, it's basically going to switch to a gallery view, which essentially just makes everything a bit bigger, and you'll have to scroll down a bit longer to actually see all of the KOLs you are trying to basically see. Now, if you go back to the list over here, and if you scroll to the very bottom, you're going to see it's by default going to show basically 144 plus the 3 up top. So, of course, that's going to be 144 top KOLs. Okay, so, of course, only that much are showing, but you can, of course, sort by different things and see whatever you like to see. Now, you also have the global one, which basically are just like the top traders. The functions are exactly the same. You can sort over here, sort by time periods, but the thing here is that you can actually see more than just that amount of people. So you can see different ranks over here. I'm going to just, for example, go to page 1 over here, and you can see from 1 all the way to the bottom, you can see 50. Now you can change this to, for example, 200 people per table. So over here, it's going to show you 200. And then what you can do is you can go to the second page, and then you can go to the third one, and then you can go to the fourth one, etc. And you're going to see basically all the people. And at the bottom left, it's going to say how many people there are. So as you can see, there's well over 2 million over here right now. Now, if I just scroll to the very top over here again, you have all the same settings, and with all of here, you also have, you can basically search these leaderboards. So if you're looking for a specific wallet, for a specific person per se, you can just type it in here, and it's basically going to tell you. Okay, so let's try if you can do numbers as well. There we go. So you can just basically search by numbers for different things, and it's going to show exactly that. Now, one thing that's also different on here is that you can see it says traders. You can copy their addresses. You can basically click on their P&L or win rate, and it's going to open up this basically tracking board for that specific wallet or person or user. You can do that on the Positions tab, Trades tab, or Volume tab as well, and this kind of panel will open up over here, which I am sure you all are familiar with. So that's pretty much it when it comes to those two. And then under your wallets, where my list will be empty because I am not trading with this very account, as you can see, I have no wallet data, but of course you'll be able to see the performance of your own wallets. And then the tracked over here, you'll be able to see the performances of the wallets you are tracking. So in case you're tracking a lot of people, you'll be able to sort that via the Vision tab as well. So that is pretty much how to use Vision on Axiom. Now, as I said, if you're new to Axiom, link down below, make sure you check it out. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.